All right, guys. So here's a shortcut one that you've probably all been waiting for. Mouse gestures, right? We all use them, we all love them, but there's probably some more that we can do with them that you might not be aware of. There's a couple of things that I've done with mine. So if I get into my sketch here, you can see that I can either accept the sketch or I can exit the sketch. There's some really nice options that we can do maybe even besides that we might not have thought of. So if I go up and I do my customize here, I can find mouse gestures. Right. Remember that you can do more than just the standard gestures, right? I have mine set to 8, but you can go up to 12. One of the ones that I do like to set, especially like at the assembly level or at the part level here, since I don't use the orientation, right? I usually use the space bar or I'm rotating around or something like that. I like to use the shortcut key because I'm not always using my keyboard for that. So the shortcut toolbar, right? We can just drag and drop that one right here. I might even do that at the drawing level too. Another one that you might not have thought of that you could do is a macro, right? So if there's a feature that's not available, you could always just create a macro, right? You could drag and drop this, and maybe at the drawing level, right? I could actually assign that to a specific. Oh, that's not the one I wanted actually. Right. So there's specific ones here that I could grab. Let's see. I have one for STL conversion, so maybe I would want to do that at the part level. Drop that there. Whatever you want to do as far as that goes. All right, but you can see right if I were to go and maybe want to get out of the sketch, I could just go left swipe, discard those changes. If I wanted to get to that shortcut toolbar, right, I just press down, right? There's so much you can do here with the mouse gestures, and it can save you a ton of time. I remember back when I was doing a lot of like SOLIDWORKS demos and stuff, I would talk to people about keeping your cursor in the center of your screen, and with the shortcut key and with mouse gestures, it can just save you a ton of time just going back and forth between center of your screen and your command ribbon or toolbars. So hopefully this helps you guys. Use the macro assign, use the OK cancel, and give it a shot. All right, guys, have a great day.